Are you thinking of investing in rental properties in Nigeria, but you don't know which cities to invest? The truth is that not all cities in Nigeria that is suitable for rental properties. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the 5 best cities that you can invest in rental properties and start making your money within a short period of time. So I want you to watch this video till the end because I'm starting from number 5, but don't ever miss number 1 because number 1 is very interesting and I don't want you to miss. And please don't also forget to subscribe to this channel for more real estate investment opportunity and the best way to invest in Nigeria. So without wasting your time, let's get started.
The legacy you're searching for, it's aspirational living horizon wide with Bedi Properties, your trusted guide.
Number 5 on my list is Ibadan, Oyo State. Ibadan is one of the fastest growing cities in Nigeria. And don't also forget, Ibadan is the largest cities in Africa. And a lot of people are moving to Ibadan, most especially students and workers. And why people are moving to Ibadan right now, Ibadan have one of the best schools in the whole Africa. So a lot of people are trooping there and there's a lot of business and the job opportunity. This attracts a lot of people. And don't also forget that Ibadan is proximity to Lagos and Abeokuta and other state capitals in southwest of Nigeria. And that is why a lot of people are moving there. Why Ibadan attracts a lot of people is because of its affordability. The standard of living in Ibadan is very affordable. When you compare Ibadan to other cities like Lagos and other state capitals in Nigeria, you will discover that standard of living in Ibadan is very affordable. Honestly, when you talk about the accommodation, you talk about transportations, you talk about the business and trade, you will see that a lot of people are feel comfortable in Ibadan. And also there's a protections of life and properties in Ibadan also. So this attracts a lot of people down to Ibadan. The cities attract our students, young professionals, civil servants, and business owners. The best rental property in Ibadan are mini flats, student hostel, 2-bedroom apartments, and self-contained apartments. If you can concentrate on this kind of property, honestly, you are going to make money beyond your expectations in Ibadan, most especially in the prime locations. Number 4 city is Port Harcourt, Rivers State. Port Harcourt remains one of Nigeria's strong rental properties markets. At the centers of Nigeria oil and gas industry, thousands of Nigerians relocate there for work. And don't forget, Port Harcourt is the most populous and the best cities in the south of Nigeria. A lot of people are moving to Port Harcourt right now. And the good things about Port Harcourt is that there's a protections of life and property in Port Harcourt. It's a very peaceful city that people like to live. The best rental properties in Port Harcourt are surface apartments, duplex, executive flats, mini flats. If you can concentrate on this kind of property in Port Harcourt for rental properties opportunity, honestly, you are going to make a lot of money because both the high class and the middle class are there also are making their money every day and they're ready to rent any apartment in order to live comfortable. So Port Harcourt is one of the best places to consider, most especially if you are thinking of investing in south part of Nigeria. Port Harcourt is the right place for you. And the good things about Port Harcourt is that indigenes of Port Harcourt are very accommodating people. They are not kind of people that always frustrate the visitors or anybody that will come there for business. So everybody is doing the business as they want. So this gives a lot of people's opportunity to trip in there and do business without any problem from anybody. If you want to invest in South, honestly, you need to consider Port Harcourt. Please take me to number 3. Number 3 is Kano State. Kano is a commercial capital of northern Nigeria. And Kano is the second largest city in Nigeria and is a major center for trade, manufacturing, and commerce. Every year, thousands of traders, business owners, workers, and professionals are moving to the city. and this creates a strong demand for rental service. And don't forget, Kano is the most peaceful in the north part of Nigeria right now. A lot of people are moving to Kano because it's a peaceful place to live, and the standard of living in Kano is very affordable, most especially if you compare to other cities in Nigeria. So if you are thinking of where to invest in rental properties in north part of Nigeria and you are not thinking about Kano, you are making big mistake, because that place is the best place for you so far in the whole north part of Nigeria. The best rental property investment in Kano right now are 2-bedroom apartments, warehouse, 3-bedroom flats, duplex, and student and family rental properties. These are the properties that you can concentrate on in Kano if you want to make your money fast in rental property investment. A lot of people are looking for all these properties that I've mentioned, and also self-contained is very important for the youth, all these young workers that are looking for where to live. So all these things, that's what people are looking for in Kano. This takes me to number two. Number two is Abuja. Abuja remain one of the most stable rental properties market in Nigeria, and this is a great and amazing opportunity if you are thinking of investing in Abuja. If you invest in landed properties, you will never regret it. If you want to invest in rental property, you need to think of tomorrow, not today. That is why Abuja is the best place for you, because it's a federal capital of Nigeria. People must come to Abuja from time to time, and they must look for where to live. That is why Abuja is a perfect for rental property right now, for today and tomorrow. So it is best for you to find the best place to buy a property or to buy land and build a correct properties. And beside that, Abuja is a federal capital of Nigeria. Abuja has a boundary with Niger State, Kogi State, Nasarawa State, and Kaduna State. So this is a great and amazing opportunity. A lot of people from those states that I've mentioned, they are moving to Abuja every day, and they want a place that they can call their home. Abuja is a home of government workers, diplomats, business executive, casual worker from constructions and factories, and also international organizations and business owners. So this is a great and amazing opportunity to focus on what is suit this kind of categories of people and different locations in Abuja. The best rental properties investments in Abuja are apartments, service apartments, sublet apartments, duplex, and 3-bedroom flats, and also mini flats. These are what people are looking for in Abuja right now. So if you have a land in somewhere like Wuse, Goripa, Lokongoma, and Metama enjoy high occupant rate every year, just build this kind of the structures I tell you about. Honestly, you will thank me later, because there are many people that are looking for this kind of apartment, and this is the best time for you to think of this. You can buy properties, or you can start to build your home from beginning. And most importantly, sublet apartment for people who just come for programs or for events. So they are preferred sublet apartments right now, even than hotel. People don't want to stay in hotel again because of disturbance and different activities. So sublet is a good and lucrative in Abuja right now. If you have a good locations on those places that I've mentioned, you can consider there and have a good sublet and others apartments that I've mentioned. You are going to thank me later. And this take me to number one. In number one, I'm going to talk about two cities, because it's Lagos. And when we talk about the Lagos, is the highest population cities in Nigeria, and people are moving to Lagos almost every hours. So Lagos is very important when we talk about the rental property investment. So I'm going to tell you about two places in Lagos. First, I'm going to tell you, if you want to do rental property investment right now, a place that you need to consider. And also I'm going to tell you, if you are intend to do any rental property for the next 20 or 30 years to come, the place that you need to target right now in Lagos. Those are the two places that I want to tell you about Lagos. So without wasting your time, let me tell you. Number one, if you have your money and you want to invest now, a place that you need to consider for rental property investment most especially for the residential purpose, is Lekki phase one. Lekki phase one is the right place for you right now to consider for rental property investment in Lagos, because its proximity to the Banana Island is very close to Ikoyi, it's not far from Fihai, it's very close to Ajah, and it's not far from Ibeju-Lekki. Lekki phase one is a home of professionals, expatriates, celebrities, entrepreneurs, and high income owners. Those are the people that are living in Lekki phase one. So that place is the best place for you if you have your money and you want to invest and make more money faster than even you expect. If you can buy any apartment or any duplex or any houses in Lekki phase one, you are going to make a lot of money within a short period of time. Despite that rental property is very expensive there, a lot of people are still demand to live in that place. So that is the right place for you if you really have your money and you want to invest in rental property in Lagos. Once you have a property there, you will continue making money there, because there are many people that cannot afford Ikoyi or Banana Island or Fihai. Most of them used to come and stay in Lekki phase one. So that is why it is good for you to consider that place. This take me to the second one. The second one is Ibeju-Lekki. You may be surprised why I mentioned Ibeju-Lekki to make the number one list. Honestly, if you want to make money in rental property investment for a long term, like 20 to 30 years to come, Ibeju-Lekki is the right place for you, because it's a new place in Lagos and it's where people are moving to right now. And the truth is that if you can be there before people get to that place, honestly, you will continue make a big money. Ibeju-Lekki may not be the best today, but for tomorrow, you are going to make a lot of money in that particular place. Ibeju-Lekki is experience massive transformation through infrastructures and industrial projects. Industrial projects include Dangote Refinery, Lekki DC Port, Dangote Fertilizer Plant, Lekki Filtration Zone, Alaro Cities, and a lot of factories is already there. And don't forget, Ibeju-Lekki is where the Lekki Proposed International Airport is located. And once they start working on that airport, honestly, the values of the property will go high. And don't forget, a large part of coastal road is in Ibeju-Lekki through the Eleko axis. So a lot of people are moving down to this place because of the big project that is already there. There's a lot of business opportunity, employment opportunities, and a lot of activities is going on in Ibeju-Lekki. If you are a smart investor that is thinking about tomorrow, Ibeju-Lekki is the right place for you, because it's a place that you can buy a land for commercial or even for residential, and that place there's no odor. The standard of living there is very affordable, most especially if you compare to the other parts of Lagos. That is why it attracts people every day. The best rental property you can think of having in Ibeju-Lekki right now is block of flats, duplex, 2-bedroom apartments, mini flat, sublet apartments, and mixing use residential development. Those are the properties that you can have in Ibeju-Lekki today and begin making your money till tomorrow. So it is very important for you to consider this place, and the land there is very affordable, most especially if you compare to other parts of Lagos. Ibeju-Lekki is a good place for you to consider. Not everywhere you can just go there and buy land, because most of the land there it belongs to government. You need to do your thoroughly research before you buy a land on any property that is free from the government acquisitions. That is why I come in, be a real estate consultant. My duty is to serve you to have a good land that is free from government acquisitions, family disputes, or litigations. If you have interest, you want to buy a land in Ibeju-Lekki, either community or estate land, so what you just need to do, just contact me. I'm going to recommend the best for you in Ibeju-Lekki, Lagos as a whole, even Ibadan, Oyo State, and Abuja. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more real estate investment opportunity and the easy place to do your business in Nigeria. So thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.